Hi. Well, we're back, and what we're going to be discussing today is the storage capability of my system. Before I get into that, I'd like to at least explain where I was coming from. What I'm referring to is the type of storage systems that I utilized in my previous build. To start off with, 10 years ago, I used an IDE drive similar to this. IDE being the connector type that's utilized, and IDE stands for Integrated Drive Electronics Connector. That's these big bulky type things. Yes, there are a problem, because when you put them into your system, they do restrict airflow slightly, not a lot, but just enough to cause problems and cause your system to heat up. So over the years, manufacturers have made a lot of changes, and they've gone to what's called the serial AT connectors, serial AT attachment connectors. That's these type of little things, all right? A lot smaller and a lot easier to work with than these big bulky things. And the primary reason is, one, these connectors are allow for a lot faster transfers going from the hard drive into the motherboard. So what that basically means is that we are going to be utilizing solid state drives. Solid state drives are based on memory chips. Similar to these type of chips that I showed for my RAM, RAM is utilized as volatile memory chips, meaning that the moment you turn the power off on them, you lose everything. With these, on the other hand, these are non-volatile, and the moment power goes off, whatever's on the chips stays on the chips. So, just to illustrate exactly how small these are, just open it up, and as you can see, this is 1 terabyte of storage capability. This is the fastest type that you will get on your current computer system. The main reason why is that instead of using a connector like this, it's directly connected into the motherboard. That means it's a direct connection, you get direct access. So obviously I will be placing my operating system on there and a few files so that things are accessible very quickly. Now, for storage capability, because I'm not going to use this exclusively for my computer system, I'm going to use a but a different form of hard drive. What that basically is I'm going to be using this solid state drive, which is another SSD. And as you can see the difference between this and this, there is a big difference. Alright, this also is 1 terabyte, which will just be used for storage. This was previously a 200 gigabyte drive. Now you can compare the differences. Big difference. A lot less use that will be used in my system. And I still have the capability of upgrading later on. The connector for the solid state drive is still this, a lot smaller, and I hope to get a better speed capability, not only with utilizing my operating system, but also utilizing just straight storage. Alright? Now, where does that all lead to? That leads to faster read-write access on your system. And that's the key in regards to this new system. Not only that, I will have a system that's also very quiet, because this makes a lot of noise. Alright, if you're listening in the background, my current system is on, and not only is the fan running, but also the hard drives are running. So there's a background noise that you normally hear. So that's the thing that I'm trying to get away from. How quiet can I actually get a system? It should be about as quiet as a laptop, and that's my goal. So the last thing I like to look at is this Blu-ray disc drive. Now, the only thing that I was disappointed in when I received this from Amazon is that it basically came just like this. It will give me the capability of reading and writing any type of CDs, DVDs, and also burning them. But the thing is that usually when I order a DVD drive, it comes with a lot of other little things along with it. So obviously I was looking for cables to add into it, and a power cable as well, but that didn't come with it. So I'm going to have to look and see what I have in my storage area to see if I have enough cables to do this, but I believe I do. This is one of those things that I'm going to be skeptical for now. I'm going to be optimistic but skeptical about it. If there's a problem with it, as I stated earlier, I will return this to Amazon. So thank you for viewing. And if you have any comments, please let me know. Thank you.